Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Skyloong software. First, ensure you download the correct software version for your specific Skyloong keyboard model from the official website. Once downloaded, connect your keyboard to your computer using a USB cable. Then, simply launch the software application. This initial setup is crucial for accessing all the powerful customization features available for your device. Now, let's dive into customizing key functions. The software allows you to easily remap individual keys, assigning them to different functions or even system shortcuts. You can also create powerful macros, which are sequences of multiple key presses with custom delays. These macros can then be assigned to any key on your keyboard, providing incredible efficiency for gaming or productivity tasks. It's a fantastic way to personalize your typing experience. Next, let's explore the vibrant world of RGB lighting. Skyloong software offers a wide array of preset lighting effects, from subtle waves to dynamic rainbows. You can also take full control by customizing individual key backlighting colors and patterns to match your setup or mood. Adjusting brightness levels and animation speeds is straightforward, allowing you to create a truly unique and immersive visual experience for your keyboard. Finally, let's talk about profiles and advanced settings. You can save multiple custom profiles, allowing you to quickly switch between different key layouts and lighting effects for gaming, work, or casual browsing. The software also offers advanced settings, such as adjusting the keyboard's polling rate for optimal responsiveness. Remember to check the description for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals. Mastering these features will truly elevate your Skyloong keyboard experience to its fullest potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.